It's once again that time of year in which a Mr. Claus plus deer takes on a mission to make sure that all computers cat-like purr, which also means that it is time to not just drop some beats and rhymes, but also to say ho ho ho, just check out yonder mad air flow. So whether you've been nice or naughty, this one goes out to everybody. This system here is truly great. Don't wait around, participate. Next to this awesome PC, which you can win starting from December 16th, we give away 12 Silent-based 802 cases and a ton of other cool Be Quiet components in the next weeks. So what do you have to do? Check out our website bequiet.com, on which you will find a detailed listing of all the prizes. Just follow the rules of the weekly giveaway, leave your name and address and cross your fingers. So to all of you out there, stay healthy, that's the most important thing, and good luck. It's really a beauty.